like to say a big hi to all his Alaskan Airlines bros. The first racer off, that's number 14, flying Baron's Revenge, Chris Rushing from Van Nuys, California. Next up, Midnight Miss 3, that's Chris Lefebvre from Caldwell, Idaho. Up and away on that number 66 airplane gunslinger, that's Vic McMahon from Blaine, Washington. From flying Radio Velocity, John Lomar. His crew chief is my dad, Ken Price Sr. Flying that beautiful black airplane 6-time national champion Nick Macy, flying 6 Cat, Tule Lake, California. The last airplane up and away is the ride ship flying by Kurt Kohler. AT-6s in the world out there in front of us and around this course. We've got Chris Rushing out there in the lead with the pole. And look at that, we've got Chris Lefebvre right there in second place. And who's there in third? That's Vic McMahon in the gunslinger. John Lomar a little bit high in fourth with Nick Macy in the trail. And when I say the fastest AT-6s in the world, that is not a lie. These are the absolute fastest AT-6 NJ and Harvard airplanes that we have on the face of the earth. Chris Rushing out there in Baron's Revenge. It's going to be very interesting to see this first time. I bet you it's up in the 240s. Look out there in third and fourth place. Look at that. John Lomar stacking now. Vic McMahon in the lower airplane, the black airplane. They did some work in that airplane last night, and I think maybe they could have tweaked it to get some extra speed out of it. So he still does not have the lead yet. He had the lead on the straightaway, but in the turn, you lose it. Let's watch what happens now on the next straightaway. He's going to give it another shot. Chris Rushing out there in the lead. Chris Lefebvre and Midnight Miss second place. And here we go. Let's watch that third and fourth airplane. That's John Lomar on the top in the yellow bands and the black airplane of Vic McMahon. And here we go. Let's watch what John Lomar now is. It's full throttle. Got a little bit of altitude to trade off into airspeed. There he goes. There's 2 airplane lengths. There's 3 airplane lengths. He has the lead now. He is in third place.
First lap speed, 242.3 miles per hour.
Vic McMahon there. He is now looking up and to his right to keep an eye on John Lomar. Not sure if he's actually going to give him that lead yet. Look at the inside line that Vic McMahon has. Much tighter and closer to the pylon than John Lomar has. Chris Lefebvre now on the red airplane in second place. Looks like he might be slightly moving up. Here we go. John Lomar still has the lead with Vic McMahon in fourth place and Nick Macy. McMahon doing everything in his power to fly that tight line. He's still right there. Got John Lomar right above him. That's the fight of a lifetime for him, trying to hold on to that third place. It's a much lower, tighter line. Vic McMahon has actually a better line than John Lomar has. John Lomar is higher and wider, flying a wider course. He is ahead of him though, and that is pretty close. 3 airplane lengths. He's right there. Now he's down to the altitude he should be. He should be able to hold that line much better. Looks like we had Nick Macy just pull out. Looks like he's on a base to final for runway 14. They've been fighting gremlins all week long. Hate to say that. He's still in the lead. Chris Lefebvre's right there, though, not giving him anything. Third and fourth place, we've got yet. Safely on the ground. Let's give him a big hand out there. There he is rolling out on 1-4. Good job. He's seen that runway like that too many times. On the backstretch again. There it is. John Lomar again on the straightaways. Gets him on the straightaways. Loses it on the turns. These two pilots are really working for that third place. Boy, I'd love to have an in-cockpit shot of what Vic McMahon is seeing. He has to be careful. He's right on the edge of flying too low out there. He's looking at on round 8. That's very low. Be careful out there, Vic. Okay, here we go. Chris rushing. Chris LaFave. Vic McMahon's right there with John. And you can see what happens. Vic McMahon having the tighter line on the pole. He continues to pass him on the turns. And then we'll see it on the outside. What happens? John will take him again on the straightaway. Stacking him right on top of him there. John Lomar with those yellow bands looking down on that black airplane, that beautiful black airplane of Gunslinger. The crew has worked tirelessly on these airplanes to make them look so beautiful. You walk up to these airplanes and you'd almost, you're looking in mirrors. They're just beautifully polished airplanes. The crews are amazing. Okay. All right, if we look out there at that steel home pylon, we should see that white flag, which means we've got one more lap, guys. One more lap to make it. Chris rushing. Chris LaFave. And here's the real race. We got John Lomar. We've got Vic McMahon. And you can see the advantage, though, that Vic McMahon has. He's on the inside. Just completely pulls away there on that turn.
Last 3 laps coming in at 2:31, and then 2:33, and then 2:34.
Coming around the pylon 3 and 4. Here they come out there to the backside now. Vic McMahon now has the lead. But watch that yellow band airplane of John Lomar. Wingtip to wingtip. This is going to be a battle of a lifetime for this third place. Pulls away, gets the 3 airplane lengths.